Most Amazon reviews are filtered. This is the real breakdown of whether this product is actually worth it. These Skalon 8-inch zip ties are everywhere, promising to organize your life, but are they the strongest, most reliable option on Amazon, or just another piece of plastic destined for the trash? Let's find out. What we have here is a 100-pack of Skalon 8-inch black zip ties. Skalon positions these as a versatile solution for indoor and outdoor use, boasting a tensile strength of 40 pounds. Think of them as heavy-duty twist ties, designed to bundle cables, secure items, or even do some quick repairs. The goal is simple: provide a strong, one-time use fastening solution for a variety of everyday tasks. Let's dive into what makes these stand out. First, the 40-pound tensile strength. This is crucial because it tells you how much force it can withstand before breaking. For most household and light-duty projects, 40 pounds is more than enough to keep things securely bundled, whether it's a messy tangle of computer cables or garden hoses. Second, the 8-inch length. This is a popular size because it's long enough for most common bundling needs without being excessively long, which can lead to waste. It strikes a good balance between utility and practicality. Third, the indoor and outdoor rating. Many zip ties degrade quickly in sunlight or extreme temperatures. Skalon claims these are UV-resistant and built to handle various weather conditions, meaning you can use them for garden projects or outdoor storage without worrying about them becoming brittle and snapping. Fourth, the self-locking mechanism. This is standard for zip ties, but it's important. Once you thread the tail through the head, it locks in place, creating a secure loop. You won't have to worry about it coming undone. Finally, the 100-pack quantity. While not a feature of the tie itself, it represents good value. You get a substantial number of ties, ensuring you'll have plenty for multiple projects without needing to reorder immediately. So, who is this 100-pack of Skalon zip ties perfect for? First, DIY enthusiasts and homeowners who are always looking for a quick and easy way to manage cables, organize garages, or secure items for storage. If you're the type to tidy up your entertainment center or bundle tools in the shed, these are for you. Second, gardeners who need to secure plants to stakes, tie up unruly vines, or organize irrigation lines. Their outdoor rating makes them a solid choice for keeping your garden neat and tidy. Third, anyone setting up temporary events or displays. The link in the description is an affiliate link. Use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.